Section 9 1i Asia TV UK Limited versus DIT. Income deemed to accrue and arise in India. Business connection and commission to Indian agency, arm length remuneration. Income cannot be taxed in India. DTAA income UK. Hmm. Held that the long as the agent is paid an arm length remuneration for service rendered, nothing serves for taxation in hands of dependent agency, permanent establishment. This is very important. Arm length transaction and nothing served for transaction in the hands of dependent agency in permanent establishment. Since the since the existence of dependent agency, permanent establishments was wholly tax neutral income of application could not be held to be taxable in India. So in this case, a remuneration paid. The remuneration is arm length remuneration. To whom it is paid, it's a dependent agency where they have a permanent establishment. So in this case, in UAE, as per the DTAA, India UK is foreign policies, this income wholly tax neutral income. So it cannot be taxed in India. It cannot be held taxable in India. It is tax free.